Hi there, how are you guys? Uh, we got up close with Sikorsky's S-97 Raider helicopter. Here's what we discovered. Next gen helicopter. Next generation helicopter. You can't miss this. Revolutionary speed. Unmatched agility. Future combat ready. The Sikorsky S-97 Raider is unlike anything you have seen before. We got an exclusive up close look at this game changing helicopter, and the experience was nothing short of mind blowing. Watch this video till the end to see why the Raider is redefining battlefield mobility and what makes it a true next gen rotorcraft. Like if you are impressed, comment your thoughts below, subscribe for more exclusive aviation content. A first-hand look at the future of military helicopters. The Sikorsky S-97 Raider is not just another helicopter. It's a revolutionary high-speed attack and reconnaissance aircraft that pushes the boundaries of vertical flight. Built around Sikorsky's X2 technology, it's designed for missions where speed, agility, and firepower are crucial. We were among the few privileged outlets invited to Sikorsky's development flight center to witness this engineering marvel in action. The event showcased how the Raider is poised to become a game changer for military operations. X2 technology, a leap beyond conventional helicopters. The heart of the S-97 Raider's magic lies in Sikorsky's X2 technology, an advanced rotor system that eliminates the limitations of traditional helicopters. Unlike conventional rotorcraft, the Raider uses coaxial coaxial rotors, two rotors spinning in opposite directions, allowing for speeds exceeding 250 miles per hour compared to 170 miles per hour in traditional helicopters. Enhanced maneuverability, enabling tighter turns and rapid acceleration. Reduced vibration, leading to a smoother and more stable ride. Greater survivability thanks to its ability to fly faster and lower in contested environments. Seeing it in action, a mind blowing experience. During the flight demonstration, the S-97 Raider performed jaw dropping maneuvers that left everyone speechless. It effortlessly transitioned from a hover to forward flight at a record breaking speeds, executed a high speed banking turns, and showcased its ability to stop on a dime. The silent yet deadly efficiency of this rotorcraft makes it perfect for scout and attack roles, giving it an edge in urban warfare, rapid deployments, and special operations. What makes the Raider stand out? Speed and agility. Outspaces conventional helicopters while maintaining precise control. Combat ready. Designed for stealth, speed, and lethality in modern warfare. Versatile missions, from troop insertion and to armed reconnaissance. The Raider is adaptable to various battlefield roles. The future of high-speed rotorcraft. The S-97 Raider is more than just a prototype. It's a glimpse into the future of military aviation. The U.S. Army's Future Vertical Lift (FVL) program is already looking at X2 based design for next generation rotorcraft. If adopted, This technology could redefine how helicopters are used in combat and beyond. What do you think? Is this the future of military helicopters? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Thank you.